How to use Jasper iBoss mode properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Jasper iBoss mode is one of the most powerful iWriting tools available, but most beginners get this wrong and waste its full potential. You won't believe how many users underutilize its advanced features. The first mistake is ignoring the long-form content capabilities. Boss mode allows you to generate extended articles, blog posts, and even books efficiently, but beginners often stick to short prompts. For example, instead of drafting a full 500-word blog post in one go, many write paragraph by paragraph manually, losing time and context continuity. Another common error is skipping commands and context input. Jasper works best when you provide detailed instructions like tone, audience, and structure. Without this, the AI produces generic content that might need heavy editing. Providing clear context ensures the output aligns with your goals from the start. Beginners also often neglect the SEO mode. Jasper integrates with tools like Surfer SEO, helping you optimize content for search engines while writing. Missing this feature can mean great content still struggles to rank online. For instance, using SEO commands ensures your headings, meta descriptions, and keyword density are automatically aligned. A fourth mistake is not using Jasper's recipes. These are pre-built workflows for specific tasks like blog posts, emails, or product descriptions. Skipping recipes forces you to start from scratch, which is inefficient and prone to errors. Following a recipe streamlines the writing process and maintains quality consistently. Finally, many users fail to review and tweak outputs carefully. Jasper is fast, but isn't perfect. Proofreading and refining generated content ensures accuracy, readability, and style consistency, avoiding potential mistakes that could harm your credibility. To use Jasper iBoss mode effectively, focus on long-form content, provide detailed instructions, leverage SEO integration, follow recipes for efficiency, and always review outputs. Avoiding these beginner mistakes unlocks the full power of iWriting and saves you time while improving results.